Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening for everyone. No matter where you are coming, welcome to join us. Today is our VIP research group's uh, research outcome webinar, which is VIP role 2021. Usually we will have this research outcome webinar in April to May as well as in August to September. So today you are attending uh, uh, this this second day's webinar. So today's we will have three research outcome to present to you. The first one is OpenStreetMap next stop recommender, which is a mobile app, and it implements two algorithms that our research group has published before. And the second one is about the use of DBpedia, trying to find valid n-gram words and part of a speech tag for any researchers they are doing natural language processing research. The third one is a chatbot, actually not just a chatbot, but a visual editing environment to help you to create your own chatbot. And with this system, you can use this system in your class or course or even in your company. So you can create a chatbot to be, for example, a virtual client or a virtual patient or a virtual elder or visitors. So in that case, you can train your students, you can train your nurse, or you can train the home caregiver or your staff in your company about how to talk to the people. So in your student, you may use that for the language learning, for example, how to talk to people with French or different language. On the other hand, you can also teach your nurse students or home care givers to know how to talk, how to interact with the virtual patient. And your staff member will know how to talk to their client properly. So today we will have three sessions, and without further ado, before I talk to Les, I really want to know that uh, in our research outcome webinar, actually all the research are done with 3 to 4 months, and all the speakers they are undergraduate students. They are third year students in university. So you can see how much they can do within just 3 or 4 months. And these are their outcome. And you will be surprisingly and you will be impressed to see their research outcome.